Hey everybody, welcome to Everyday Waffles, where I make one waffle that's got enough power to fill me up and give me all the nutrients I need for an entire day. So we're in season 2, but very special season 2 because we got St. Patrick's Day coming up and I am so fucking excited. So we're making 4 waffles for the 4-leaf clover. So this is waffle number 1, and today we're going to do shepherd's pie waffle. I'm really excited about this, and I'm going to go ahead and just plug in the waffle iron real fast because this is going to be a very fast waffle. Because I did do some pre-making of the ingredients, because I'm kind of nervous about this one. So I might have to film maybe 1 or 2 episodes unless I get this just right. Right now we are on the first take. I'll tell you if there's a second. I promise I will. Because usually what I love to do is just hit this thing and just go. Bloopers and all. Because I'm just kind of fun like that. But I really want to nail this shepherd's pie waffle. So I've just been contemplating. And so that's why I kind of pre-cooked everything. I was just, thinking while I was cooking. It's my best kind of thinking. Brought to you by Homo Sweet Homo. And I don't need to wear green because my kitchen is the color green. This color is called passion. I like that. Okay, so here we go. We're going to be just slamming through and doing a really fun waffle together. So we're going to be using mainly a potato base. So I have never done a potato based waffle, so we're going to experiment together. So I'm going to do 1/2 cup of flour. Boom, done. And as you know me, I love to just put stuff away right at the beginning. Okay, so we're going to do a teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're going to do a teaspoon of salt and pepper as well, just to give it some little bit of I don't know, zest. What do you call that? Zing, flavor, salt, pepper. I don't know. I like to cook. I'm just not good on the terminologies. How's them apples? Or do we really need to be? I don't know. It's waffles and it's life. We're not supposed to take it all that seriously. As long as you do what you're supposed to do in your moneymaker, take care of your adult needs. We call it adulting around here. And then just have a hell of a lot of fun, which is what I love to do. Okay, so I just whisked up our basic ingredients right there. And now I'm going to start adding in the wet. So this is going to be kind of interesting because the wet is going to be, you're right. So we just use 1/2 cup flour. Now we're going to be putting in 2 cups of mashed potatoes, not too wet. And then we're going to be putting in 2 eggs, 1 cup of ground beef that I went ahead and kind of like boiled-ish. So what I did was I put it in the skillet, and then added in water to it, and then strained off the water and the oils from that. And then, so then I did peas, carrots, and onions. So a 1/2 cup peas. So it's basically a 1/2 cup peas, 1/2 cup of carrots, and a 1/4 cup of onions, which is what I've got in here. So then we're gonna be topping it off with some wonderful brown gravy and sour cream. All right, let's get going on the fun stuff and see how this works, because I'm just gonna try and do it all in one pan. Oh, we'll see what happens. That surprised me. It just went plonk. Okay, so there's our potatoes. All right, here is our ground beef. And here we go with our vegetables. I'm excited. Let's see if this works. I do have milk, just in case, because we might need to add some liquid to this. I'm really not for sure. It's a total experiment. I was looking up the recipe, which I'll talk about in a second. Dang, 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 dang. Okay. Now, let's see how this works. I'm kind of excited. This is such a weird, unique recipe. But I have no idea what's going to happen with this. All right. I should be wearing an apron. But instead, I'm thinking about two of my friends. They're both in Colorado. One is like my little leprechaun. She's like 5 foot tall. So I'm wearing her shirt. And the other one is like size 0. She's so little bitty. So I'm wearing her jeans. They really show off my butt. Still can't believe I can fit into something so small. Okay, so I'm getting that flour mixed in with the potato and everything. And our waffle iron is ready. So I have no, like I say, I have no clue what's going to happen once we do this. I mean, from what I've seen, I'm, looking around, potato waffle is a kind of a thing. So here we go. We got all of our potato and everything in here. I'm really nervous because we've had a few disasters on this show, as y'all know. Nothing as bad as that one where it's just the whole thing was just burned. There's no saving it. I am still going to master the McDonald's hamburger waffle. That's going to be so much fun. So yes, with this waffle, I am not getting all my nutrients. That's why I cooked for myself a power waffle and the other day. That's what I'm actually going to be eating. I'll try this, but I'm actually going to be eating mostly my power waffle. Okay. Well, here's our mashed potatoes recipe right here. This is going to be really interesting. All right. We'll turn it over. Oh, wait. Yeah. Got my temperature down low. Turn it down a little lower. Why not? Okay, I got it on now all the way low. Like it's going to make a hill of beans right in the middle of the recipe. Oh. Kind of nervous about this one. All right. So, since that was so easy, let's save this because a friend of mine's going to give me some more eggs, possibly, that fall out of a chicken's butt. That's where eggs came from. All right, so now we just have a very simple brown gravy. 99-cent packet plus 1 cup of cold water, then you heat it up. So I'm just going to reheat this just a little bit while our waffles are going. It's that easy. So I thought I'd entertain us with a few fun facts. All right, here we go. All right. Yeah, I missed my clipboard. Even though I got this fancy dancy thing going on over here, which makes life a lot easier, I did figure that out. But I missed my clipboard. Okay. So, of course, where did it originate? Duh. All right. So the term shepherd's pie, but what actually, since I'm using beef, this is technically a cottage pie. Yeah, I had no idea. So instead of the lamb, which is the shepherd's pie, I got the beef or the cottage pie. So they've been used like back and forth since the earliest they could find them in cookbooks was the 18th and the 19th centuries. Although some writers insist that the technical terms for the two would be shepherd's pie for the lamb and, excuse me, yeah, shepherd's pie for the lamb and cottage pie for the beef. So which came first, the chicken or the egg? Apparently, the 1791 29th of August, 1791 is the first time that this recipe for cottage pie was used. But they're not really for sure exactly, but they think that Parson Woodroffe is the one who came up with it. So I don't know. They found it in his diary. So we're going to be topping this with just a gravy and a dollop of sour cream. I love how basic this is, how quick it is. I mean, well, it did take, a skosh to, do the potatoes and a couple other things. That was it. So I got my workout in, which was fun while those were just going. Nice. Yes, I actually got a workout in. I notice I'm getting like these. Might be getting little gutters going on kind of soon. I'm kind of excited about that. So since I'm just now seeing the efforts of my working out, maybe I might start doing it more. I don't know. This is the waffle philosophy. Because I do live by the full waffle philosophy. It's my thing now. Because I eat my waffle. I do my 15 minutes before yoga ball exercises, then do the show. Then I do my 15 minutes right afterwards, and then I work out though before this all gets started. So basically, an hour and a half is my whole taking care of myself. So workout, yoga stretches, eat, stretch for your meal afterwards. Dishes are all done. You've had your food. Your lunch is packed for the next day. Good to go. That's like an hour and a half of self-care. Oh my God. That is so fucking beautiful, isn't it? Says it's ready. And the gravy's ready. Okay, let's get going then. I'm excited. Of course, I get excited about just about everything. Okay, here we go. I'm nervous but excited. Holy shit, no, it did come out really good. Oh my God, and the smell's amazing. Oh, I am beyond excited. Oh, and it holds up really nice too. Wow, okay. Let's get the next one in. This is amazing. Okay, wow. Welcome to St. Patrick's Day, the 4-leaf clover series. All right, so we're going to be doing, let's see. I've got this. We're going to be doing the shepherd's pie today. We're doing an Irish stew waffle tomorrow. And the day after that, we're going to do a corned beef and cabbage waffle. And then for actual St. Patrick's Day, we're doing a Colcannon waffle. And I think I am actually pronouncing that wrong. So please, if somebody knows, give me a call. Tell me what I'm doing wrong on that one. Or just do it in the comments and do it phonetically. This is kind of cool. I'm excited. Yes, waffles keep me happy. It's I was talking to that about the waffle experience to a friend of mine earlier. I was like, it's just I don't have to worry about portions. I don't have to worry, all my nutrients are right here. Tastes damn good. And I get to have my juice and everything. Okay. There's my quarter. I am so freaking excited. I think I said excited, 100 times so far today. Okay, get my sour cream out. A little dollop of sour cream on top. Doop-de-doo. I love sour cream. Oh, amazing. Okay. Spread that out just a little bit. All nice and hot. Take a look at this beauty. Isn't that amazing? Oh, wow. Happy St. Patrick's Day. So let's see how we got going. This is just so beautiful. It tastes like a shepherd's pie. Smells like if I was in the restaurant. Wow. Wow. Yes. Holy shit. Do this recipe. Amazing. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. Bye. See if I can make this mouse work.